Okay guys, we are inside our phone, and as you guys can see, very nice background picture, and comes with some preload apps, and we got our favorites one, Game of Thrones right here. And so we have some, this device is a AT&T model, so it comes with some AT&T apps preloaded, and we're gonna jump right ahead to discover if we can find that sharing wireless charger. And like, it's right here. I want to just show you. When you scroll from top to bottom, scroll one more time right there, we're gonna find this option right here, wireless power share. We're gonna click on that, and right there it gives us a message saying or basically giving us, basically it's showing some instructions how we can charge other device with it. It says put the center of the phone back to back with another device. Okay, it says right here it work with the the earbuds, whatever, for Samsung. And I see gear, the Samsung Gear, I guess. I'm gonna be doing this test with my iPhone and see if these work with the iPhone. I have one of my iPhone X right here. I got one of my iPhone X. Actually, this one doesn't have any charge right now, as you guys can see. But we're gonna see if this inductor activate the wireless charger on this one. Okay, so there you go. Let's hit it. Wireless power share. Yeah, as you guys can see, charging. It says, and the iPhone 10 is now charging with this device. As you guys can see, if I remove it right away, it will show me, and the wireless power share will get disconnected. As you guys can see, very easy. And if you guys had any doubt and it work on different devices like iPhone, as you guys can see, it works.